Depositing money on Wise is a straightforward process that allows you to send funds internationally at competitive rates. Follow these steps to complete your deposit. Step 1. Create a login to your account. Visit the Wise website or open the app. If you don't have an account, sign up by providing your email and creating a password. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Step 2. Select the deposit option. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the option that says send money or deposit and click on it to start the process. Step 3. Enter the amount in currency. Input the amount of money you wish to deposit and select the currency. Wise will show you the current exchange rates and any fees associated with the transaction. Step 4. Choose your payment method. Select how you want to fund your deposit. Options may include bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Follow the prompts to enter your payment details based on your chosen method. Step 5. Review and confirm your deposit. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Ashraq link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Now you're ready to use your funds with Wise. Enjoy sending money internationally with ease.